Hello everyone, it's OJ from OJ Online. Good to see you guys again. Today I'll be doing the benchmark test for the Realme X7 Pro. The Realme X7 Pro comes with the Dimensity 1000 Plus, which has a 7nm design. It's a flagship class processor announced in May 2020. It comes with an octacore CPU setup. It has 4 powerful big cores, the AMR Cortex A77, which can run at up to 2.6 GHz, and it has 4 efficiency cores, the AMR Cortex A55, which can run at up to 2.0 GHz. On the GPU side, it has the AMR Mali G77 GPU for graphics. The processor supports up to 144Hz refresh rate. It supports AV1 hardware decoding. The processor has dual 5G SIM support, supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. So now I'll be doing the benchmark test. So I'll be running this benchmark test in performance mode on the Realme X7 Pro. First I'll be running ANTUTU benchmark. It takes quite some time to run this benchmark test, and for this reason I'll be speeding through most part of the video, but do watch out for the final result of this test. So this was the score I got previously running ANTUTU benchmark V8 on the Realme X7 Pro. So I'll just rerun the test and see what I'll get this time. The test is almost complete, so we'll see exactly what score we'll get. The ANTUTU benchmark V8. So there you have it, guys, the ANTUTU benchmark score V8 on the Realme X7 Pro. This is a really high score for the Dimensity 1000 Plus. It's a 7nm chipset, and it's a great score. It's a flagship processor. This is a very competitive score, and and I must say this chipset is better than the Snapdragon 855 processor. Maybe not as good as the Snapdragon 865 from last year, but this is a very competitive score. As you can see, 528,000. That's an impressive score, and I never had any issues while running graphic intense games on the Realme X7 Pro. I was quite impressed by the performance, as some of you would have seen from my gaming test of the Realme X7 Pro. So I'm quite impressed, guys, with the score of the Realme X7 Pro on ANTUTU V8 benchmark. So let's check out how it ranks in relation to other phones. So as you can see, it's on number 1 on this list, followed by the ROG Phone 2, the OnePlus 70, the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro came with the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and so this chipset is definitely better than the Snapdragon 855. The 855 was also a flagship processor from 2019, and so there you have it, guys, the ANTUTU benchmark score. So next I'll be doing the Geekbench 5 on the Realme X7 Pro. So we're almost done with the Geekbench 5. Just uploading results now. So we have there the single core score of the Realme X7 Pro and the multi-core score. A single core score of 790 and a multi-core score of 2490. These are quite impressive numbers for the Realme X7 Pro, which is a flagship processor, and the phone easily handles graphic intense tasks, video editing and gaming, even intense gaming. So there we have the score in comparison with other phones, and these are all flagships. As you can all see, the OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, S20 Plus. These are all flagship phones. So the benchmarks don't lie. Throughout the times I've used this phone for tasks such as video editing, gaming, intense gaming, I've not noticed any downtimes or lags or overeating, out of the ordinary overeating. So for as many that are still in doubt about the processor, the Dimensity 1000 Plus, these are impressive scores from independent benchmark from ANTUTU V8 and Geekbench 5. So I hope this clears any doubts about the performance of the Realme X7 Pro. So there you have it, guys, my benchmark test of the Realme X7 Pro. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video, and do watch out for my upcoming videos. This is OJ Online signing out.